First, the top headlines. Fuel outlets to reopen from today. Agreement reached on 4 points. NIA arrests one involved in Quokta blast. CBI files 6 charge sheets. TMNL cautions of stir if mobile internet ban not lifted. Ban extended till October 21st. Manipur High Court gets new Chief Justice Siddharth Ridul. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and Imphal West till 7 p.m. For Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Good afternoon and welcome to 12:30 p.m. ELITETV English News with me, Jianthuiliu Kahmei. Now, straight up to top stories. Following an understanding between officials of IOCL Transporters Association and POL LGPTT's Drivers Association, along with additional DGPLO at 11:30 a.m. yesterday, the agitation of closing down retail outlets of petroleum products, denouncing the attacks on oil tankers and assault of drivers has been called off with immediate effect, and fuel outlets have started reopening from today. Following the understanding, agreement was reached at 4 points, which includes deputing of senior officer in Nungba area to conduct operation and coordinate movement of convoy along National Highway 37 by the Manipur Police Department, enhancing security of vulnerable areas by deploying additional MR, IRB personnel to prevent attack and illegal collection of taxes by anti-social elements on the drivers' vehicles of the IOCL, LPG, TTs, and sensitize CRPF and other security personnel deployed along the National Highway 37. A total of 122 petrol tankers, 92 diesel trucks are all set to unload the petroleum products at the oil depots beginning today. The National Investigation Agency NIA has arrested one person from Assam in connection with the Quokta bomb blast case in Manipur. The arrested person has been identified as Muhammad Nur Hassan of Silchar. He was arrested with the assistance of Assam for his alleged involvement in bomb blast in a SUV at Quokta town in Bishnupur district on June 21st. According to a report, in connection with the car bomb blast that was triggered atop a culvert connecting Phogakchau Ikai Awang Laikai and Quokta Bazaar on June 21st, Manipur police had registered a case and launched the investigation. On the other hand, the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) yesterday filed charge sheets against 6 accused persons and a report against one child in conflict with law in connection with the May 4th viral video incident involving sexual assault and killing 2 men. It may be mentioned that in the complaint it was alleged that a mob numbering approximately 900 to 1,000 individuals armed with weapons entered Pi Phainom village in Kangpokpi district of Manipur, vandalized and set houses ablaze. The charge sheet was filed before the Special Judge CBI Court Guwahati. Agency added that further investigation is on and process for identification of other involved accused persons are continuing. Statement of CBI added that the above findings are based on the investigation done by CBI and evidences collected by it. It also added that under the Indian law, accused are presumed innocent till their guilt is finally established after a fair trial. Also in the news, Tangkhul Mayar Naga Long TMNL has demanded immediate lifting of the current internet ban in Ukhrul district, warning of stringent agitations if the government does not take appropriate action to address the issue. Addressing media persons at its office in Ukhrul town yesterday, TMNL President Themaso Talanau stated that the continued mobile internet blackout in Ukhrul district for the past 161 days has deprived the population of basic facilities, negatively impacting their day-to-day livelihood activities that depend on internet. Taking exception to the insensitivity towards the sentiments of the public, TMNL leader said that the Youth Council would be forced to take recourse to various agitations until the internet ban is revoked unconditionally. Tala now added that the Youth Council welcomes the proposed visit of Chief Minister at Ukhrul district on October 18 and reiterated its demand for lifting of the ban. Meanwhile, the order for suspension of mobile internet data services in the territorial jurisdiction of the state of Manipur has been extended for another 5 days till October 21st. Justice Sridhart Mridul has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur more than 3 months after his name was recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium. It may be mentioned that the Supreme Court's Collegium, headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, had only July 5 recommended the appointment of the Delhi High Court Judge Justice Sridhart Mridul as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court amidst the ethnic turmoil in the northeastern border state. It may be further mentioned that on October 9, the Supreme Court bench had noted that the appointment of the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court had finally received the centre's attention and would be notified shortly. During a press meet held yesterday at the residence of RPI Athawale National Secretary Maheshwar Thaunojam, he has expressed that amidst the ongoing crisis which has been prolonging for more than 5 months, it is very unfortunate that some people are misinterpreting his comments with regard to the reformation of MLR and LR Acts 1960 in the state of Manipur. He added that he had remarked some days back about reformation of the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act 1960 after driving out the Kuki narco-terrorists and illegal Kuki immigrants from the soil of Manipur. Then only the Meiteis can only inhabit in hill regions of Manipur. However, his statement has been misinterpreted by some factions of people. He expressed that his statement meant for peaceful coexistence of all communities of Manipur to reside anywhere, whether be it in the hills or the valleys, irrespective of belonging to any specific community. He further asked whether it is wrong calling that our home is our home and urged to all that we must work together to bring peace and normalcy in the state in unison.
No, we organization karana amasung individual haitare karana we haibirapa we nami species amada aigi we tin kuki narcotics amsu illegal immigrants se we loiselba matungda we moi makoi phattaba sing se tantho matungda we MLR and LR Act 1960 se reform tawraga we maitaina 100 leiba yaba tasena haragadi aina hiding ba potudi kaino hay matamda akoi ni hiding ba potudi akoi maitaina akoi isagi iramdam sidabu kaidobagi 6 to 8% confine tawraga leiba no si 100 leibam thoi atai yellow mi lemin riba myam su nusi chana na mo koi ga chingtam khena dabida one Manipur oiraga chingtam khaidok dabida beri da nusi chana na leimin riba se sumaina leimin raga chinga su leimin ba kai kai loimak sumaina yam nusi chana na leimin se haizabani aduda mioi khara na traga kharana akoi gi wrong interpret tawraga atopa community da sentiment da so na bo na ba na traga atopa lana wakal khana na mo na ba se speech to taraga khambi gani ta sing na haraga di akoi isagi iramdam sidabu kaidobagi 6 to 8% da confine tawraga leidori bano sidi ai isama ta sing na ai maitai community da gi belong tawrina isagi yumdo isagi yumne haiba da kai belai isagi yumni adu nusi chana ai ichinaw leminari ba myam da so yum da leibiu ulak nusi na lemina si haizabani ta sing na haraga di aduna aigi yumni haiba ngamdragadi ai khoigi yumni haiba ngamdragadi adu ta sing na akoi na voice raiser am oina adu di ai adu wahun thol ai tabarang khale.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
planning to study outside Manipur? Are you confused about your college or university selection after 12? Manipur Edu Online provide assistance to help you. College or university selection, admission guidance, career counseling. Don't delay. For more details, kindly log into our website www.manipuredu.online, or you can also call us at 7628 960 947.
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imphal da nauna hangdok jare, Hairiba asida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlam sing mafam asida phangbigani. Ngasi maglangsing birau Tilak Ras Enterprises, Presto, Thangal Bazar near Kasturi Thong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
Diabetes ko loina hinglibasing thama gi manungda control toba ngamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thama gi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manga gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Pile savidi nungsang nabasu chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laing jabani. Hakjangda sokadaba side effect leite. Makhata na hidak jabagi mathausu tararoi. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak langsin birao Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat, Imphal East.
Welcome back. Now moving on. International Day of Older Persons and World Hospice and Palliative Care Day 2023 was observed yesterday at HWC Awang, Wabagai, along with states NCD team, NPHCE team, NPCC team, District NCD Cell team, Imphal West. Alongside the observance, field orientation cum training program for Ayush medical officers and nurses was also conducted. Yesterday's observation program included recreation activities of elderly persons and distribution of gifts to the elderly persons as well. The program was attended by Dr. Y. Premchand Singh, SNO NCD, Dr. L. Tilakeshwari, SNO Palliative and Elderly Care, NPHCE, NPPC, and Dr. A. Dinesh Sharma, Assistant DNO NCD, Imphal West. Health talks on breast cancer awareness along with comprehensive geriatric assessment of elderly persons were also conducted yesterday. As a part of the ongoing protest of demanding justice for deceased Linthoy Nganbi and Hemanjit, students of Success School Chingarel Tejpur yesterday hosted black flag and Don't Black patches demanding justice for the two students. In yesterday's program organized by Socialist Students Union of Manipur, SSUM, political activist Sapam Cha Kanglaipal stated that the N. Biren is not the chief of the Meitei community only, but he is the chief minister of all the communities residing in the state of Manipur, and added that only when the chief minister is given the full control of unified command, peace and normalcy will return soon in the state. He also expressed that on the ground of non-support by the 10 Kuki MLAs, withdrawing the control of power of unified command from the chief minister is not reasonable. He stressed that it is high time that we press the center for restating the power of control of unified command to the chief minister, further adding that when Kuki militants are continuing with their attacks of targeting Meitei villages in the hill areas, the security personnel are confronting with the people in the valley, and this is not going to bring any solution to the ongoing crisis in Manipur.
Honorable CM the unified command Manipur da Nandu Laita Purkari as a Masidi Manipur Mianda Hazabutame Haitari. Aduna Manipur Iho Humatum the Langaka Equid Munavaya of Fibam Sing Equito Rugumsi. Som the narco terrorist ma'am jingduna cookie narco terrorist ma'am jingduna maitai gi khulaktai bom namjalakpa bom kapsalakpa nomai kapsalakpa tawrakanda Imphal manungda security force ka akhoi ga munaraga akhoi di kari kana ba phangdei no aduna akhoi da hauna lonjat khamba akhoi da taxi khasi khamba kunai ma oina na bagi da ma'am ngasi degi hauna tapna tapna khong thangi Manipur gi lei ga film jidai da center na lei state government je lan ubusu chummo sigi government je sidai da tongan tongan furup sing yauri hojik su suknagi MLA tara katungna uda muka adigi kenoda muwada mukok kodo adu tawlei ne ngasigi paliba Manipur gi chief minister je maitei gi chief minister natteba Manipur gi chief minister neba
Occasion, Principal of Success School Dr. Sunil Deva Singh expressed that it is commendable that such student organization like SSUM has come out to fight for the future of the students. He also added that as a part of customary rituals of the Meitei community, performance of last rites is mandatory after death of a person. However, the families of Lintoi Nganbi and Himanjit have been deprived of this because the state authority is unable to find and locate the dead bodies of the two students, which is very unfortunate, he added.
Mama yang meruai masih sendiri bauti mau menung cabat takpa kopa abisi mereka benina mau menung isu awal mani aduga semaina penai senamana so bukan tang amalok kepir besidu awani sarkan abu besi itu kena maga sigi hak bagi mari nawa sak mari mati fagre hang ngahona na punya itu bisa mau fagre aduh still aksang budi dead body jadi may recover to one grave.
After the rumored viral incident of a girl child from Lilong, Chajing, wherein it was rumored that she was possessed by the soul of deceased Lintoi Nganbi and had wanted to visit the family and house of Lintoi Nganbi, a clarification was issued yesterday by the mother of late Lintoi Nganbi during a press meet held at her residence at Tera Tongbram Lekai. Speaking to media persons, Jaya Shri, mother of Lintoi Nganbi, stated that after they got the news that there is a little girl from Lilong, Chajing, who expressed of her willingness to visit and meet the parents of Lintoi Nganbi, they had gone and met with the girl child, after which she was brought along to Lintoi Nganbi's house, where they had dinner together, and after spending some moments time with the family members, the little girl was later sent back to her house along with her parents. She further clarified that she never thought of the little girl as her own daughter Lintoi Nganbi, but only felt the motherly love at the attitude and behavior of the girl child, further appealing to the concerned authorities to find and hand over the dead bodies of Himanjit and Lintoi Nganbi to their families for performance of their last rites.
Tera tail kulum le kaya sa teki nupi maga tawar hang teki tawar posi de mana angang se yang kui na minini uni sa ta thakta na ma se akoi angang nupi ja koi hilin thoi sidang kau ta na leire ma se sa ta thakta na minini uni ta da na leire amta ai se lapiu na mana mari ma da kawre kau posi de ke ai so ai gi sa do kui na udra bani na mana mai kau posi mana sa ta thakta na leire ha ba ai so thawai si nungai ta na ai no mata ai mapan thokta bane du ma una pasat ke na sa lu ma se ta le ram ba de ma sa to yang wa na so thana le ram ba de ai na kan na ko ai to nu ko ko no na ta ma se kap ta na law na ta re du ka koi dam ta sak sa rang ta sak ta sa si kun na ba ma ga ta ro kun na sak sa min na si en to ba de ai na ma se pu ra ga ko yum ta sak sa min na si na pu ra ga la ga ma se sak sa min na re du ga lu ra kan ta ma se
Under the supervision of Kumbi Assembly Constituency, MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra Pechan Card of Government of India, Ministry of Textiles was distributed yesterday to beneficiaries of Kumbi Assembly Constituency, Ibudhau Sanhong Thel Kumbi. The program was attended by MLA Kumbi Assembly Constituency Sanasam Prem Chandra Pradhan of Wangu Tera Khong Gram Panchayat Potshangbam Baleshwar, caretaker chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council Wahengbam, Priyo Ranjan, ex-chairperson Khagembam Babita, president of BJP Kumbi Mandal Seram Angausana. Speaking during the occasion, MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra expressed that development and prosperity cannot be brought by the MLA alone, and it requires cooperation from all publics. He added that the distribution of the Pechan card is done with the view that every individual shall extend his support to bring overall development in the Kumbi area, and added that the ongoing crisis shall come to an end soon, further continuing that truths cannot be kept hidden for long. Upon improvement in the law and order situation in Valley districts, curfew has been relaxed till 7 p.m. today in Imphal East and Imphal West districts. For Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Markets and shops are open during the curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as usual on the road. People rushed to markets and shops to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982, and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Fuel outlet to reopen from today, agreement reached on 4 points. NIA arrest one involved in Kwagda blast, CBI files 6 charge sheets. TMNL cautions of Star if mobile internet ban not lifted, ban extended till October 21st. Manipur High Court gets new Chief Justice, Sridharth Middle. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and Imphal West till 7 p.m. For Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.